Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add columns to a table in Excel step by step. First, click on the empty cell that's immediately to the right of your last table column's header. This is the cell in the header row, one position to the right of your table's rightmost column. Once you click it, you'll see the cell is selected with a border around it. Now, type the name for your new column. This could be something like total sales, region, or whatever makes sense for your data. As you type, you'll see the text appear both in the cell and up in the formula bar at the top of Excel. Use a descriptive name that clearly indicates what kind of data this column will hold. Once you've typed your column header, press Enter on your keyboard. Here's where Excel's auto-expansion feature kicks in. The table automatically expands to include your new column. You'll see the new column instantly becomes part of your table, with all the same formatting as the rest of the table. The table structure recognizes that you've added a header in the adjacent cell, and automatically incorporates it as a proper table column. The new column is now fully integrated into your table. It has the same styling, it's included in any filter dropdowns you have set up, and it's ready for data entry. The formatting carries over automatically, so you don't need to manually apply any styles or borders. Here are a few things to keep in mind. This method always adds the column at the end of your table, to the right of all existing columns. If you add a formula in the first data row of this new column, Excel will automatically fill it down to all the other rows in your table. This is a core feature of structured tables. You can also rename the column header at any time by clicking on it and typing a new name. The table formatting stays intact no matter how many times you change the header. And if you ever need to add multiple columns, just repeat this same process. Click the cell to the right of your last column, type the header, and press Enter. And that's how to add columns to a table in Excel. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.